Residence Chez Léon by Quinzhee Architecture in Charlevoix Regional County Municipality, Canada. Located on a sloping, wooded plot of land in Charlevoix, Quebec, the Chez Léon residence, designed by Quinzhee Architecture, rises on stilts to reach the tops of the trees, thus enjoying views of the St. Lawrence River. The owners had a precise vision, a contemporary chalet in harmony with its environment, where the ecological footprint is minimal. This is how the idea of pilotis and refined volumes, decorated with large bay windows facing south, was born. While leaving a minimal footprint, the covered space under the main volume allows occupants to enjoy the outdoors during bad weather and for nature to reclaim the place. Through the piles, a concrete monolith slides perpendicular to the main volume. Upon entering, a large vestibule, a laundry room, and a bathroom welcome guests back from the ski slopes or mountain bike trails. Moving upstairs, the staircase and hall act as a threshold between the gathering area and the more intimate space of the bedrooms. Designed with the same cedar cladding as the exterior, this transitional space offers a visual breakthrough towards the mountain at the back and the river at the front. The living spaces also open completely to the view, giving more privacy to the spa terrace at the back. On either side of the kitchen, glass doors lead to a screened room, from where nature can be contemplated from the shelter, surrounded by the sounds and scents of the mountain. For thermal insulation, the architects opted for double-framed walls, with strict management of thermal bridges. Interior comfort is ensured by a heating, air conditioning, and ventilation system, combining an air exchanger and a high-energy efficiency heat pump. From the reduction of spaces to what is necessary to the use of raw materials left in their natural state, the Chez Léon residence blends elegantly into the forest, recalling the nostalgia of a tree house of our childhood, while embodying a contemporary and environmentally friendly approach.